But I mean, 50 tags are quite a lot. So tags are more like for identifying different resources, which you can use later on. Company, that could be just company like Microsoft, for example. And we can have department as the finance and project and so on. We will not create all this. I just want to keep it low for now and use environment development. Let's go to next review and create. You can see that we get an error here for form validation because we don't have any branch. So actually we need a branch in order to make this work. Let's go to testing purposes for YouTube. Let's go ahead and just create a branch. We can say create a new repository, set up in desktop, get started creating a new file. But if we do like test here, click on commit the changes. We fixed. Let's try to see if we can force it again to fetch. Okay, we can. So here you can see we have main branch, the one we're interested in. And now we are able to go to networking and so on as we did. Tags, yes. Resources, development, to selected, and so on. This thing here, it says to selected, app service plan, and the web app. It means that the tags will be valid for both app service plan and the web app because there's an app service plan resource along with the web app. Click on create. Now we are creating. We don't have any code here, but I guess and I think that we will get some sort of test code that we will see. This is your Azure web app and so on. So this is the first resource that we have now created in our Azure environment. And you can see there's a button here for download a template for automation. This one is interesting because did you notice how much time it actually took in order to do all this stuff? We haven't clicked on create yet, but all the steps that we had to go through in order to actually create stuff, which is cumbersome. If we do click on the download a template for automation, you will see that we can create it in different ways, just like this. Okay, so that's something, I think it's called an ARM template, if I'm not mistaken here. We can go to ChatGPT and says, is this an ARM template? Yes, it is. Can you give some examples of different deployment methods next to ARM templates, popular ones? So you've probably heard about Terraform, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, maybe Terraform. These are using PULUMI, as you can see, and the other are using Terraform. Do you remember the other we had was the original one? The original one was the one we actually got from Azure, which looks like this, which is an ARM template. In my opinion, I think these are too much information. So I would rather use this or this. So just know that there are different methods in order to deploy resources efficiently as possible using either Terraform, PULUMI, and ARM templates.